Our first Notice a Note signpost is called Contrast and Contradictions. This is a signpost when we see a sharp contrast or something different from what we would typically expect a character to do or feel. As a reader, we begin to pick up on characters and their typical traits and behaviors. So, when a character contradicts something they usually do, that can suggest a change in the character. So at this point, using your Notice a Note signpost note sheet, I want you to copy down the slide I'm about to put back up for you into this box. So Contrasts and Contradictions, Signpost Description. Every signpost will have a clue to look for as you read. So remember, signposts aren't going to flash with neon lights. You're going to need to know what to look for. You'll know that you found a contrast and contradictions when you see a character behaving or thinking in a way that you didn't expect. This signpost is rightfully named because the word contra means against. The character does or says something against what they've previously done or said. And at this point, you'll want to pause and rewind the video a little bit to copy down the signpost clues for contrasts and contradictions in this box. So signpost clues, contrasts, and contradictions. I'll go back to the previous slide so you can take a look. Every single signpost will have an anchor question. This is going to be a unique question you'll need to answer when you've spotted the signpost. In this case, when you spotted a contrast and contradiction, you'll need to ask yourself, why would the character act or feel this way? Answering this question will help you interact with the story or the text and get a deeper understanding of perhaps the internal conflict of the character, the theme of the story, or even the relationship between the setting and the plot. Answering these anchor questions will guide you on your way to answering higher level questions. You're going beyond the basic comprehension questions. Now take a moment to fill in your chart for the signpost's anchor question here for contrasts and contradictions. You will also want to fill in the why ask the anchor question. So here's your anchor question right here, and then this is the why. All right, everyone, at this point, we have filled out our chart for contrasts and contradictions. So let's put this into practice. We're going to watch a short commercial, and you're going to be asked to answer a couple questions along the way. So make sure you're paying careful attention. At this point, you should have filled out your questions for this short commercial. Thanks for listening. Let me know if you have any questions. Further practice will be posted on Google Classroom. Have a great day.